This video is brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Enjoy the video. Welcome to our video on virtual care tools for senior veterans. In this video, we will let you know what is available for veterans and where to find them. These tools will save you travel time and money for your health care, so please look into these resources and find the ones you need. Let's begin. In today's fast-paced world, access to healthcare has become more crucial and challenging than ever, especially for our veterans who have dedicated their lives to serving the nation. The Department of Veterans Affairs is taking innovative steps to transform veteran care through virtual technologies. These groundbreaking tools are expanding access and improving the quality of care for veterans across the country. Imagine a veteran in a remote location who needs specialized care. With VA virtual care tools, geography no longer limits access. Telehealth services now bring medical professionals directly to veterans via video calls, ensuring they receive timely consultations without the need to travel long distances. This not only saves time but also reduces the stress associated with travel. Beyond basic video calls, VA is integrating a range of digital health technologies. Veterans can use MyHealthWet to manage prescriptions, view personal health records, and message healthcare providers directly. This secure online platform empowers veterans to take charge of their health on their terms. In addition to MyHealthVet, the VA offers mobile apps tailored to specific health needs. From mental health support apps to chronic condition management, these tools are designed to address the unique challenges veterans face. The aim is to provide personalized care and support in the palm of their hands. These virtual care tools aren't just about convenience, they're also about quality. By leveraging artificial intelligence and data analysis, the VA can offer predictive healthcare solutions, anticipating health issues before they become critical. This proactive approach not only enhances the quality of care, but can also save lives. The VA is committed to ensuring that no veteran is left behind, regardless of where they live. With these virtual technologies, every veteran can access care that is timely, efficient, and effective. It's about leveraging technology to create a healthcare system that is as resilient and dedicated as the veterans it serves. The future of veteran care is here, bringing healthcare innovation directly to those who need it the most. These virtual care tools represent a new era of veteran healthcare, one where access to quality care is only a click away. This is a prescription for better care through virtual technology, ensuring every veteran receives the support and access they deserve. For a list of these tools that are available, get online and search for Prescription for VA Virtual Care Tools. Then, find the tools you need and download them from the Google Play Store. Most are available for smartphone, tablets, and home PC. Well, I hope you liked our video. Please like and share. Thank you and God bless. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, you might like some of our other channels we have on YouTube, like short Bible stories, hard biblical questions, and top 10 most loved Bible verses. Please check them out. I think you will enjoy them. Thank you and God bless.